Something I told you already, so I don't know which one I should tell. Mm. What is this? Okay, yeah. The reason why I cannot see my dogs so that I can concentrate more on human, yeah?
Yes,
More on human issue, okay? Not that I don't want them. You understand now?
Yes, Master. Understand.
I just read it random, okay?
Yes.
When the forest fire burned so much around the world, I was very anguished because so many animals dies. I say it's not fair. The animals don't sin. It's only humans sin. Why the animals have to die like that?
Yes, Master.
I was lamenting and screaming in my own place. So heaven said, "Oh no, the animals they sacrifice voluntarily, and the trees, the forest sacrifice also willingly, and then they will go to Timbuktu New Rim straight."
Wow.
I'm reading it, okay? Huh?
Yes.
Oh God, thank you. I'm reading because you requested them. This is what heaven told me, yeah. But I say why? Now I say because you mean me, huh?
Yes, Master.
Mean your master, yeah.
Yes, Master.
Because you, the master, yeah, requested them to protect humans with their original noble quality. In your earlier poem in 2009, so they will go to New Rim at least. Bless them. All worthy go to New Rim. Amen.
Amen. Amen. Amen.
If the price is that, I'm reading another volume, huh? Okay.
Yes, Master.
From original universe protector who told me that I got to sacrifice my love for dogs. Then I can save 14% more lives.
Yes, yes, Master.
Humans and animals. 14% of this world.
Yes, Master.
So hard, but I will try. Just be busy, then can forget their love for me as well as my love for them. Okay, good. Of course, when dogs are around, then I might not concentrate so much on humans' problem. Understand?
Yes, Master. Yes, Master.
That is what dogs are made for, to comfort human, yeah?
Yes, yes,
To make humans who are their companion to forget the problem in life.
Yes, Master.
Yeah, but in my case, I cannot forget. You see, I have to remember
Understand, Master.
so that I can help humans.
Yes, yes, Master.
There are other things. It told me how long until the world become vegan, but I don't dare to tell you. Last time I told you some years ago that the world will be vegan in some years, and then it trailed off.
Yes,
So I cannot always tell you everything.
yes,
I just hope it will be true. But humans, they're always wavering in their action and faith because they have free will. So it's very difficult also to predict things.
yes, yes.
Difficult to predict the future. But I say, oh God, why not now? Animals, they suffer so much, so much. Every time I see it, I just torn apart. I'm sure you too, but you just have to watch it, right?
Yes, yes.
Just to know more why we are motivated to work for World Vegan. You understand, yeah?
Yes, yes.
So did all of you watch all these new program, new letters?
Yes, yes, Master.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Master. Thank you.
I
Thank
feel,
you, Master. Thank
I
you
feel
for
your
taking your
support.
time.
Yes, Master.
And I write continue, but I will take them all to Timbuktu's New Rim, all of them. I don't allow any more pain for animals caused by man. And I ask, I'm still bargaining. I know the answer, but I still ask. Here I read. I read the reason only, okay?
Okay.
Yes, Master.
I read whatever here. There are many more, of course. But that's too much to read here in one time. I was thinking, okay. is there any way I bargain, I know it's not, but I say, is there any way I have dogs and they're not to pay the price above? And the one word of answer, no. I said, well, I guess not. I knew it. Thanks for reminding, but I miss them so much. At least they are well cared for, and I'm monitoring them from afar every couple of days to have report for our dogs. And they know I love them.
Yes, Master.
Yeah. If I have birds or so, it would be worse. Yeah, I will lose some more spiritual power and lose some of my saving power for humans.
Yes, Master.
If I have dogs and birds, continuously I will lose 14.1%.
Wow.
14.1% of spiritual power and saving power. I say, whoa, that's huge. However painful, have to sacrifice dogs, birds. Please forgive me. I talk to dogs, yeah?
Yes, Master.
You will be in new land, new rim with me forever later, okay? Thank you. God love you and bless you. And here, there's so many. So many other things, conversation with heavens and stuff like that.
Yes, Master.
I told you already, but this is here is a conversation in my diary. Okay, like the zealous ghost came and tell me, please be lenient with zealous ghosts.
Yes, Master.
I said, okay, then one last time. Any of you repent, we go to 4th level. Any against me, go to hell. And conversation with monkeys. Master, why didn't your folks come to enjoy the food that I prepare outside? And Do is the name of the chief of the monkeys, okay? Of that group. His name is Do, D-O.
Yes.
I asked only his name. The other is, I don't ask. So I asked them, okay, why didn't you folks come to enjoy the food and fruit I prepared for you? That was on the 16th of March. So Do say, because we sympathy for your peace disturbed. They talk like that, okay? Your peace has been disturbed because you fed us and the zealous ghosts are disturbing you. The zealous ghosts keep warning me. Before that, I kicked them out. They've been troubling me and warning me, don't feed the monkey, otherwise your peace will be disturbed. I say, you don't tell me what to do. I do what I do.
Yes, Master.
But they do really disturb my peace in the beginning. When I first came, they make all kind of trouble, noise, and threatening and frightening, and all kind of stuff. Not just the snake, yeah?
Yes, Master.
So I said to the monkey, Do, it's okay, no big deal. What did they charge you for? What did they do to you? And Do say, for stolen your food, fruit, vegetable, root from your farm, your garden. You didn't. I permitted you. Told all of you to know this, and you can take anything you want. So I said to the zealous ghost, I said, I told all of you to know and leave the monkeys alone. I wanted them to share what I have. So though they worry we love you, you love us, then we won't love Maya. The devil, yes. The Satan. Yeah. That's why we are forbidden to come back. So I said, to hell with Maya and the stubborn subordinates. You come and eat my present food from God.
Yes, Master.
That's what I said to the monkey, yeah?
Yes, Master.
Other thing is not for you. That's my thing. Nothing important, just my daily stuff. But there are some guns noise, some hunters nearby. It's illegal, but there are some people who do it.
Oh, God.
I said to there are many other things here I have to do to protect myself also meanwhile, but I cannot tell you, okay? Yeah.
Yes, Master.
Some secret formula, yeah? Some secret way to do things to go against these kind of ghosts and evil, because they are not normal, okay? They're not just normal ghosts. You cannot just use normal worldly magic power to get rid of them. I have to do other things, so I cannot tell you. The jewels I wear sometimes, that is also for some of these purposes, okay? Not that I am sissy sassy or attached to the jewel that I design, but it has some help for my protection, yeah?
Yes, Master.
So I said here, like, I have to wear more jewel, a little bit more effective, because different jewel produce different effects. For me, my jewel, not every jewel has this effect. Understand?
Yes, Master.
Even though I wear the same place, the same location, it has still different effect if it's a different jewel. I don't have a lot of jewel here anyway, just a couple of letters. When I am moving around, I have no time enough to take them off. You know, sometimes when I do good meditation, I wear them.
Yes, Master.
Then I throw them in the bag and they're still here. That's all, just a couple, not much. But it has some help, yeah.
Yes, Master.
There's another thing I cannot tell you because another thing cannot tell you. What is this here? This. Not for you. Okay, not for you, not for you. For you. Okay. Hey, something heavens warned me about something that I should not do. Someone I should not trust, for example, like that. This is not for you. Not for you, not for you, not for you. Okay, here comes the stuff. Snake stuff. Okay, what else? Check it out. Oh, I was you think I'm tough, huh? Right?
Yes, Master.
Yes.
Think I'm hero, I'm not afraid of anything, huh? Is that what you think?
Yes, Master.
I am afraid. But I still do it. Because the mind belongs to this world. It has its emotion. It has its love, it has its sometimes vexation, it has a fear. And so next day, the OU protection also tell me, be happy, be free, be safe. They wish me, yeah?
Yes, Master.
Give me blessing. Zealous spirits return to hell, 93%. I told you already, I guess.
Yes.
So I say thanks. Thank you for your help. Thank God. Continue something, right? The spider also said the same. I say, be happy, zealous demons are gone. So I say thank you. Before you asked me if I could read some more things in my book, yeah?
Yes, Master.
So just now I remember, so I thought maybe I could read some. So that's what it is, yeah? Okay?
Thank you, Master.
They keep telling me, be peace, be safe, be free. I mean, they're blessing me that, understand?
Yes, Master.
So I say, amen, thanks. And they told me, don't return to such and such a place. The snakes will harm you. Not just that snake that day, yeah?
Understand.
After that, I thought I'd return to other place, you know, have more safety, you know, no holes, more like a real house, yeah? Small hut, but more real and safer. So they say, no, don't return there. The snakes will harm you. I say, in which way? They say, invisibly, it will disturb your peace, your freedom, and they will obstruct your meditation, etc. So I say, thanks for warning. They told me continue to stay where I am, because then I can contribute more to world vegan, yeah, in this place.
Yes, Master.
That's what I said, a little bit more peace, but not all that peace, but more than other place, etc., etc. And then they told me where I can get more peace and all that stuff in different locations. So I be chasing them. But it's difficult to keep running around because I have work to do. You see what I'm saying?
Yes, Master.
Because SMTV work, I still have to do it. You know that. Normally,
Yes, Master.
Yes,
retreat, you don't do it, but I have to combine what to do. I can't just leave you, the children, not completely grown up yet. I still have to check out all the shows, yeah?
Yes, Master.
So I cannot go to some places where more peace and more simple. Because simple place means I don't have facilities like bathroom, hot water, convenience, understand?
Yes, Master.
Yes, Master.
Also no telephone and very difficult to deliver documents for me. This place, 1 or 2 people with me can deliver documents, but don't have to see me. It's more private. But if I go other place, there's no hiding area, okay?
Yes,
So
Master.
they have to come and see me, and that is a taboo. I don't want to see anyone at the moment. They should not.
Yes, Master.
Understand.
So, but I have to stay in here just for work, more convenient for work. Otherwise, I would go somewhere else. It's better. So I said, okay, whatever good for the world, I will do it, Sir God. I said, Sir God. Like the name of the God, they have written just the few letters only, not the whole name, and some read it like a Jehovah, like God. They cannot speak out loud, but so I say, it's just the 5 names in short, in short, meaning alphabet only, 5 names. Because they cannot speak, cannot write, so some people would write it just to remind themselves, just 1 or 2 letters, you understand?
Yes,
Yes,
Master.
Like we want to write the first letter in our holy names, we just say like W, or we say J or Y,
Yes,
Yes,
Master.
Master.
to remind us, yes. And then another one here, the spiders, only half size of the bigger one can squeeze into the small holes. Before the big spider came, and now I blocked the road so only the smaller one can come, half size of that one before. And they said to me, too, one of them, that time just one. And then she said to me, you will have peace, freedom, and love. So I said, thanks, but how? And then the next 2 days, I feel like it's more peace, it's true. And then I saw them, 2 of them coming, and they say they're weaving some protection for me around my place.
Wow.
Yeah, that was, I told you before already, right?
Yes, Master.
Yes, Master.
I write here. Some zealous spirits still hanging around on earth and make false messages for me. Distance is not a barrier for them, but overall is peace now. Much better now. Sunday, March 29, I asked them why didn't they come and eat, finish my fruit that I prepare outside when it's fresh. So he replied that we save it for the other day. I say, no, eat them when they are fresh. Why don't you eat them? Finish them when they're fresh, and other day I will give you more. So he said to me, though, the king monkeys told me, because your food is precious, so we eat them sparingly.
Yes, Master.
And last time I asked them, they also say save it for tomorrow. So today they came and eat on Sunday. They came and eat yesterday, yeah?
Yes,
Or is
Master.
it today? Today is Monday or
Today
Sunday?
is Monday, Master.
Okay. Also today they ate, but I forgot. I wrote it on Sunday because Sunday was empty as page. So today, Monday, in the morning, they came and ate the fruit. Only two big ones, the king and his wife. So I say, where are the small ones? Why don't they come and eat? There, I saw one small one sitting a little far away and not eating, sitting on the tree, not come down to eat on the ground. So I say, why that small one don't eat? So the king told me, because he's not allowed. I say, why not? Please, I give a lot. I want you to allow the small ones also eat with you. Please, let them eat, all of them eat. If you really understood me, if you really hear me, can you let the small monkeys come and eat? And normally they don't, okay? Normally they eat first to the field and then the small one maybe come sneakily, take 1 or 2. But I just said that, and I don't see any coming. And then 10 minutes later, they all came.
Wow.
Yeah, the younger one all came and they all eat everything together.
Wow.
Yes. That was the first time I see that they all eat together like that and finished.
Wow.
because they want to train the young one to be independent. Understand me?
Yes, Master.
Yes, Master.
And in the wild animals kingdom, the leader have to be satisfied first, yeah?
Yes, Master.
And then later the subordinate might eat. If not, they will sue them or kind of bite them away, yeah, so that they don't take the food while the kings or the leaders still eating. But today, everybody come eat together.
Wow.
They said that the young one have to learn to forage,
Yes, Master.
and that's all. That's all. Sometimes they let the young one eat, but sneakily, not so free. Today they all came. Truly, the monkeys did hear me and did what I asked.
Yes,
And I was very, very, very happy. I say thank you. And then always, whenever even all of them eat or anybody eat there, the king always wait on the tree, wait for me. Everybody gone already, all the monkeys gone. They waited for me on the tree. And I just say, oh, why don't you just go? I think to myself, I don't make it like a tradition so that he always wait for me. I always have to come out. But I don't come out, he keeps sitting there. I don't know, maybe their tradition, they have to thank the giver before they left or something. So, okay, I was cleaning my teeth and then I had to quickly come out and wave my hand and then he just left, just like that.
Wow.
He'd been sitting there a long time. Only him alone always wait.
Wow.
Wow.
I also wrote something here like, you asked me something, that how do I know about zealous ghosts, yeah?
Yes, Master.
I told you just because they're disturbing me and they tell me lies and stuff like that. So I have to strip them naked and say anyone using the holy name to trick me or tell lies to me will be destroyed or go to hell. So you better don't bug me anymore. Because I know they trick other people. Because they also try to trick me all the time. You have to know who is who, yeah?
Yes.
It's difficult for normal people to understand whether is it God spoken, heaven spoken, or is it this kind of devil subordinate or the devil himself, yeah?
Yes.
Okay?
Yes,
Yes,
Master.
Master.
They always try to argue the opposite. So I have to make them transparently, so-called naked, and threaten to send them to hell. It fakes holy names or presence to trick me, yeah. But I also taught you how to discriminate at initiation time, to protect yourself.
Yes,
yeah?
Master.
How you see if he's a devil or he's a saint or master. Yeah? But to some people who have no master guidance, they will be easily tricked. Just remember what the Buddha said in the Surangama Sutra,
Yes.
that I have explained to you before, yeah?
Yes, Master.
I'm reading it. I'm reading a piece of paper that I wrote. Very difficult to escape Satan's or devil's trick if not pure enough, or if not vigilant enough, if not adhere to the guidance of the master and the precepts, and very difficult to escape. So it's dangerous not to have a master and try to meditate alone, because the road is full of dangers, full of tricks by the devils. In India, if you have no master, people shun you, as in some stories I told you before. Okay, that's enough for now, hey? Okay?
Thank you, Master.
Yes, Master. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you also. I wish you well and meditate well.
Thank you.
Yes, Master.
If any problem, you write to me, okay, huh?
Yes, Master.
We love you, Master.
We love you so much, Master.
We're always together, okay?
We are together, Master.
Yes, Master.
In the spirit, okay?
Yes, Master.
I always remember you.
Yes, Master.
All right,
We
so
wish you
God
good
bless.
health, safety, and everything.
God loves you,
Yes, Master.
and I thank you for working for the world.
Thank you, Master.
Thank you, Master. Thank you so very much. Thank you for all your sacrifice. for
Bye-bye, thank
everything.
you.
Thank you,
Love
Thank you, Master. We love you.
Master, we were wondering how you're doing. That's good to know, Master.
I just see if you guys are doing all right, huh?
Oh, thank you,
Master.
It's better you cook for yourself. It's cleaner, okay?
Yes, Master.
Because nowadays, you never know how they cook outside, okay?
Yes, Master.
And also found a way to bring it,
Yes, understand.
Then it's different energy, huh?
Yes, of course.
And you take turns to cook, okay?
Yes, yes.
Whoever cannot cook can do other things,
Yes, Master.
I can do labor work
Yes.
for food.
Thank you, Master.
Okay, but if you don't have enough room, you can use the room that reserved for me.
We have enough room,
plenty in
Master.
that room.
It's better you cook for yourself. Okay, when they bring the bag, you use a vinegar to spray the bag first before you take them in. Huh?
Spray the bags, yes.
Even if you can dry your clothes with the dryer, you still need to hang them in the fresh air, okay?
Yes, okay.
Even no sun, fresh air, okay? Huh?
Yes, Master.
Better so well clean, okay? But have to take the clothes before the fresh air.
Yes, okay. Dry the clothing. Okay.
Because it's not that, it's just that insect will come, for cleanliness, yeah?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, you have aircon there. If not, you have to ask people come and install. If you need more room, just tell them to bring the container there.
Yes, Master.
Meanwhile, you are not there if they have not insulated the trailer. You tell them to do it while you're not there.
Okay. Yes, Master.
So there is did they insulate inside or it was just like before there?
No, it's insulated. The containers are insulated now.
That is good. Then no need to say anything. If you really want to more, like more space to spread out, then you can bring the container there, okay?
Okay, Master.
A private place, you can do anything you like. Huh?
Yes, Master. Thank you, Master.
Private property, okay? Huh?
Okay, Master.
And is it quiet there, yeah?
Yes, very
Yes,
quiet.
very quiet.
Okay, wonderful. I like it when we live like a different corner,
Yes, Master.
Different corner, so we stabilize it. Like a triangle or like a square, like a connecting point, different corner.
We understand, Master.
That everywhere has trouble like that. Even in Siwu, when it's a summer or something, I remember that some chicken smell even come to my cave before.
Yes, Master.
In the male area, I don't think they have it. Because in my cave area or downstairs where they meditate and the chicken is nearby, where the male used to stay, it's no smell. I already asked them whether or not they smell there. They say no, nothing. That's why I thought you can come and be happier there.
Yes.
And you can walk out in the garden with nobody.
Yes.
If it's unbearable, you write me, okay?
Yes,
Yes,
Master.
Master.
Because I want you to be healthy also, not just the smell.
Understand. Thank you, Master.
That kind of smell can make people unhealthy. Smart, it will affect the lungs.
Yes, Master.
All right, just for now, you stay there. I don't think you want to move right now. Well, right? Just came, I don't think you want to move. So, Barry, for now, if it's too bad, you must tell me, okay?
Yes,
Yes, thank you, Master.
So you probably have other places which I forgot, okay?
Yes, Master.
We have many lands. Because everywhere we move, the chickens move with us. The pigs over. You know why? Because the Chinese people, they love eating and their karma following everywhere. Especially they love to eat chicken, yeah?
Yes.
Even when the mother just give birth to a child, they immediately make chicken soup for them.
That's terrible.
I don't know why. I mean, even in America, they love chicken.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They are vegetarian, but they eat chicken.
Right.
There's even the guys who were famous for chicken soup of the whatever,
Yes.
soup of the soul for what? My God, why does it have to be chicken soup? Pumpkin soup or anything, right?
Right.
Yes.
Yes.
But they love chicken, poor thing.
I know. Yes, Master.
And then so it follows everywhere, even though we already practice, but, the karma is still hanging in there. But it get better, I just hope so.
Yes.
My God, I'm trying so hard. Sometimes I'm punching the table and all that. I say, stop all this. You still can hear me, yeah?
Yes. Thank you, Master.
Yeah, okay. Anything you want, you just tell them to buy, okay?
Yes, Master.
Thank you, Master.
Because you have to cook for yourself for the moment. I think it's a better solution.
Yes, it's okay, Master.
Just cook simple, okay? Like 2 or 3 kinds. Do you have enough utensils to cook?
Yes, we do.
Yes, we do.
We have everything we need.
Okay, good. If not, just ask, okay? They buy. Yeah.
Yes, Master.
Clothing, winter, everything good enough to wear?
Yes, Master.
Oh, I guess over there it's warmer, so you don't have to worry too much.
Yes, Master.
But still, you need clothes, okay? To be comfortable. You don't have to wear, like, names or anything. Yeah, men is easier. No need makeup, no need fancy clothes. No. I saw one guy, he wear just a different gray kind of shape. Oh, he looks so good.
Yes.
All right, never mind then. Guys are happy, then then I'm happy. But tell me if anything wrong, okay?
Yes, Master.
Yes, Master.
Thank you, Master.
We can always rent another place somewhere, okay, huh?
Yes, Master.
Yes, Master.
It's that it's already there, and they prepare everything already. So I thought it's also warmer, you know.
Yes, Master.
But it's colder where I am. Yeah, it's a cold area and it rains all the time.
Maybe when it's convenient, Master can come down here.
Sure, yeah. I was very tempted to go the other day, but I'm still in retreat. So.
Understand.
But yeah, they prepared the room last year, but I did ask them whether or not they smell the chicken farm. They said no. So that is a new chicken farm, just a mushroom over there?
I'm not sure, but the
It's right next to the gate.
Oh no, I never heard of that. I never heard it's next to your gate. They never told me that. Maybe this is a new chicken farm.
yes, Master.
Oh, otherwise I wouldn't have told you there. But living condition is better, but the smell is better. My God, if we get too bad, you guys have to tell me, okay?
Yes,
Yes, Master.
Because the purifying machine, I don't know if it take away the smell or not.
It helps. It does. Yeah, it helps. It's okay, Master.
The air will be clean enough.
Yes, Master.
It might take away the smell, but does it mean the air clean?
The air purifier will purify the air, some Master. It has a carbon filter in there.
See, buy those that also take away the odor, you know?
Yes.
Yes.
They used to buy me some before. Okay, all right. You guys settle down, okay, huh?
Yes, Master.
Thank you.
Possible that there's some other place, but it's not warm. Sunshine, understand?
Yes.
Yes.
Please, you have that. There's another place who also have chicken farm, but far away. The moment, no. I'm not sure. Summer, depends on the wind, also, yeah. Maybe I think about that. Okay, huh, you guys?
Okay, thank you, Master.
I don't think you're ready to move anymore for now, right?
We're pretty settled right now.
You're tired, right? Okay. I think about that when I have time, okay, huh?
Yes, Master.
Remind me, if something bad, you must tell me.
Yes, of course, Master.
Okay, huh?
Yes, please don't worry. We're okay.
All right, ciao, ciao.
We love you, Master.
Love you, Master.
Thank you, Master. Thank you for calling.
Are you guys okay over there?
Yes, Master.
Everything good, yeah?
Yes, Master.
Remember, whatever you need, you just ask them to buy for you, okay, huh?
Yes, Master.
Don't
Thank
be
you,
shy,
Master.
eh? You want to tell me something or ask me something? I don't want you to feel like I have forgotten you. It's not like that.
No, Master.
I feel that way.
Just need to do meditation alone.
Yes, Master. Yes.
Now and then we can talk, eh?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes.
thank you,
Thank
Master.
you.
Did you rehearse or something because all of you answer at the same time? Master. I was thinking about you guys. I wonder if it's cold over there, if it's raining a lot or not.
It's okay. Not a
Not a lot.
Oh, it rained a lot where I am.
Oh.
You're not here.
Oh.
It rains like England,
Wow.
non-stop.
Oh.
Is it too cold over there for you guys?
No,
Master.
You have enough clothing?
Yes, Master.
Yes, Master. No, Master. Yes, are you a robot? So before? Say something. Tell me something.
It's good to hear from Master.
Maybe a long time didn't contact. That's why it's too much work to concentrate in work, and then look like we are kind of distant or something.
No, Master.
We don't feel distant.
How about the place where you live? Is it too cold inside? Do you have all equipment you need?
Oh, yes.
Yes, Master. We are very comfortable.
Really?
Yes, Master.
Yes, Master.
Good. How comfortable? How?
We're very comfortable.
What other girls? Tell me, are you all right there?
Yes, Master.
Oh, you're tough, eh? Tougher than I think.
Oh.
Because even some men, they don't like it,
Oh.
No, just not used to it.
Yeah.
Used to it right away, huh?
Yes, Master.
It's very nice to hear. Oh, here it rains like almost every day. I thought I'm in England or something.
Wow.
I thought only England can rain that much. But never mind, because it retreats, so it's not too much a problem. You must take care of yourself, okay?
Yes, Master.
Yes.
You need some more warm clothes or warm blanket or something. You have to say.
Yes, Master.
Big girls already, right?
Yes, Master.
So shouldn't be any problem. I just hope so. Yeah.
Yes, Master.
Staying in a kind of second-hand storeroom.
Oh.
Just that it's quite spacious and I have to clean a lot. Now, but it's very quiet here. If I stay somewhere else, like it's more noisy.
Yes.
More noisy, not because of the physical noise. It's only also because of people know where it is.
Yeah.
Kind of less quiet.
Yes, yes, Master. Yeah.
I rely on you girls to save the planet.
Oh, Master.
You work very hard, and you okay? You don't feel too hard?
It's okay, Master.
It's okay, Master.
I feel the world should have more women in the leader role.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
You want to be leader also? What I mean is more in the active roles,
Yes, Master.
doing things. Boys also good though. Our boys are good.
Yes,
Yes, Master.
Yeah, they're good. They work very diligently. And some of them are quite artistic.
Yes, Master.
We could have more of them, but they are caught up already. So either they work outside or they don't work at all. I mean, for Supreme Master Television.
Yes, Master.
It's funny, you think we are the only SMTV, well, but it's not. Because San Marino, a little country
Yes, Master.
in Italy, near Italy,
Yes.
within Italy, they also have a television. They call it SMTV. San Marino TV. From the old SMTV, I told them not to say that we are SMTV. We can say like that when we talk together. It's okay.
Yes,
Yes,
Master.
Master.
But we cannot do it official on the screen and all that because people might mix up thinking we are from San Marino. Funny, eh?
Yes.
I did not know that country before. And when I was in Europe, I incidentally saw their TV.
Oh, wow.
It's not like ours, though. They have SMTV, their title. So lucky we say Supreme Master Television.
Yes,
Yes,
Master.
Master.
Other TV, they might think we want to compete with them. I wonder why the monkeys and the spider, they talk to me more than you guys. And the birds. And the bees even.
Wow.
No, it's not true. They don't chat like that. They only tell me something when it's necessary. We don't chat, but only when necessary.
Are there other animals who have warned Master before?
There's some more. I just can't remember right now. Animals, they're always very protective.
Yes.
Of course, my dogs.
Yes, Master.
Yes.
Sometimes I don't notice it. They do it quietly. Like last night, if I did not get out of my meditation because the kind of cold, I wanted to shut the windows, then I saw the two of them. Like I caught them. I turned on the light and they froze in the two corners. What are you guys doing here? There's someone news for me, and they say no, zero. I said, then why are you here? Is it better inside? They say no. They say, then why are you inside? You doing something? Yeah. I say, yeah. And just weaving some protective net. I just hope it works.
Wow.
I really am amazed how a spider can weave a web to help me.
Yeah.
And I was worried about them. I said, don't do anything for me because I'm worried the zealous spirits might revenge on them.
Oh, yes, Master.
I asked the Yosku protective gods to please protect the spiders.
Mm.
And if anyone hurt them, I mean those the ghosts or spirits, if any one of you hurt them, you will be destroyed.
Yes, Master.
Just like I told the Maya before, if you touch my dog, I'm going to destroy you.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Got to have some excuse. Yeah.
Yes.
It's good. But the spider are not afraid. I don't know why. They just have too much love, so they didn't think about their risk.
Wow.
my God, two little spiders, not little, half the size of the big one. Yes, I stuffed the hole so the big one cannot get through. So he sent the little one. The small one can squeeze in,
Yes.
and then the big one. So after I stuffed the hole, I did not see the big spider again, and I see the small one coming one day after another. Like that. That's quite frequent.
Yes.
So yesterday they came in again, and in the middle of the night, about 2-3 o'clock. So I turned on the light and I saw them. I told the boys already. You did not hear what I was talking to the boys?
We could hear.
And I told them also the birds also helping me. And not just then, but maybe all the time. Sometimes they do it quietly, like last night. If I did not get up at that time, I wouldn't have seen them. And I wouldn't have known that they are helping or protecting me. Actually, it might help, just like some people. You remember some Indian tradition or some other ancient race of people, they weave some web-like net, or they call it a dream catcher.
Yes, Master.
So it could be they learn it from the spider.
Wow.
They look like spiders, web, these dream catcher, right?
Yes, Master.
Weave it just like a spider's web, right?
Yes, Master.
So it could be that that's what they do. There are some secrets that humans do not know. The bird told me some secrets, and the squirrel told me some secrets.
Oh, wow.
And, of course, the gods also tell me sometimes some secret way to protect myself in some special circumstances. Recently, many times, I have a lot of trouble because I do too much.
Yes, Master.
Supreme Master television stuff.
Yes, Master.
Stuff and meditating, retreating and all that. This is too powerful and they cannot bear it. They all come out trying to fix me. I am really happy that I went through all that with not much problem. But sometimes they try psychological wars, mental war, and not just physical only. And I went through all that and a lot more. Never mind, it's good. One can only do one's best, right?
Yes, Master. Thank you, Master.
Thank you, Master.
And the rest is up to many factors.
Yes, Master.
Like humans, karma and humans poisons a habit. Just like people, when they took drugs and cigarettes and all that, it's difficult for them to quit
Yes.
because of habit and become so used to it. I'm just worried because humans, they have already been so habitual with eating animals, flesh, and things. And I don't know if they can even turn around. Even if they know. Very difficult, and I'm worried about that. A few years ago, I have told you when the world will become vegan.
Yes,
And
Master.
after that, the Maya, the devil, they try so hard to make people become more addicted to meat.
Yes.
Keep talking to them quietly during their dream, during the quiet moment, during their vulnerable time. And so the veganism was delayed until now, and it gets more difficult. They even talk to these butcher,
Yes.
seller, to put even heroin into the
Oh,
meat.
my God.
Wow.
To make people more addicted. And some of them found out afterwards. One time they found out, but I don't know. There are many other places they did not find out.
Wow.
And they put things, maybe secretly into the meat so that the people became more addicted. So become more dependent. Nowadays, even during these difficult times, and people try to stock things up because they worry they cannot get out anymore to buy.
Yes.
So many shelves are empty.
Yes.
Even they know also. Imagine that they didn't even want to try because they have this kind of preconceived idea about meat taste and they are used to it. Anything else, they don't want to think about it. Even good things also the same. Like people who never smoke, even how attractive the cigarette package and how Other people say cigarette is good, and they would never be interested to look, not even look at,
Yes,
not to
Master.
talk about trying. So all these things make me feel very frustrated. These days,
Yes.
I'm really worried for our world. I just hope something might happen. I'm praying for it and meditating, retreat.
Yes, Master.
World peace was easier.
Wow. Yeah.
It came first.
Yes,
You
Master.
say world vegan, world peace, but world peace comes first. But the thing is, if we don't have world vegan, then this world peace is difficult to last.
Yes, Master.
Because of the killing karma will beget the killing karma.
Yes.
Even gods and heavens are helping, but human has to decide. It's just like the best English teacher. She can teach, but the student has to learn.
Yes, Master.
Has to decide whether or not he wants to learn and to really practice English to perfection. Otherwise, the teacher is good, but the student benefit nothing if he doesn't learn. See what I'm saying?
Yes, Master. Is there anything more we can do, Master, to help people wake up? The ones who are still too addicted to meat, there must be a way to.
I know.
Yeah.
Question. Very caring question. I'm not sure because we have done a lot.
Yes, Master.
I even gave some of my own merits and everything. I'm willing to do anything possible. It's very difficult to change humans because they have been poisoned for too long already.
Yes, Master.
Life after life, generations after generations. But it could be done. I'm still hoping
Yes, Master.
not to say anything anymore because there are still many demons around in this world. Not just the zealous demons only, because they're full of different kinds of ghosts and demons and all kind of things that still try to seduce people into the wrong path.
Yes, Master.
Not only they don't repent, they're messing up people's mind and soul. And people are too busy to even care to think about what beyond their daily needs and understanding.
Yes, Master.
And then because of survival, because of trying to live, to survive, they will do wrong things again, and then the circle will begin and continue forever. You see what I'm saying?
Yes,
Master.
It's just like the Maya, the devils, they like these kind of things so that they can keep the souls in prison forever under their grip, inside, in their grip of power. Because if the soul wake up, understand what's right, what's wrong, and practice it, put it into practice, then they will have no more souls to control.
Yes, Master.
They have to tempt people, seduce people with all kinds of ways so that people will do wrong things. And because people do wrong things, they can keep them. They can punish them and keep them and say, oh, you did this wrong, you have to come back and redo it, redeem yourself. And then when people come back, they forgot. They don't know what to do.
Yes,
Master.
Even if they remember, it's very difficult for them to survive in this world with all kind of traps and tricks and temptations. So they fall again. It's like somebody is poor, they borrow money, they cannot pay back. And then they get more and more debt all the time. Never get out of poverty and become slaves to be able to have peace. So that people don't put them in jail. Just like some bad people, they train dogs to fight with each other
Yes,
Master.
or to fight with other animals until one of them dead or both of them dead, and they enjoy that kind of thing. But it's not the dog's fault that she is biting or fighting with the other dogs or killing them, him or her, or doing vicious things. It's just they've been trained to do it.
Yes, Master.
It's become a habit. You understand?
Yes,
So it's not the dog's fault. That's why I feel so sorry for humans and all beings here, because they have been trained to do that, and they have been forced into this kind of situation, and they do wrong. And then the more they do wrong, the more they have to stay under the grip of the devils. They rule with controlling and punishment and seduction and temptation and all kind of stuff. So people can never get out. I feel very, very sorry for the human race. It's not their fault if they do wrong. It's not their fault at all. They've just been trapped into this kind of situation, this kind of world, and then all kind of situation, all kind of destruction, temptation, trap, make them do even more wrong. And then the more they do wrong, the more they do wrong. And then they could never become clean.
Yes,
So
Master.
that's why many masters have to come down and try to reason with them. And if they really believe in the master, then the master can impart the inner knowledge, and then they will be free. Otherwise, there's no chance. Just like somebody owns so much debt, and then the owner, they can never let them go. They will never be able to pay enough. But if some rich person comes and pay them, like bail them out,
Yes.
buy them, and set them free. But even then, sometimes the owner don't want to sell the slave. He likes the slave or something because that slave is good for him and doing things good, do a good job. And he is very rich, so he doesn't care to sell that slave and set him free. In that case, it's even more problematic, you see?
Yes, Master.
It's like this world here. Even the master is willing to sacrifice or to do anything to free the soul. But the Maya take grip on it, grab the soul and don't want to let go. Making trouble for the master and keeping the soul here. A similar situation like that, it's just slavery. Even in this world, if you do good things, if you don't have a master to free you and you do good things because you have good heart, then you have to come back to spend that good merit.
Yes.
Then it's still running inside this circle.
Yes.
Even then, when you're a good person, you want to do good. But maybe coming back to this life again, you might be tempted to do some other thing wrong, you see?
Yes, Master. Yeah.
This life, you're doomed. You'll be punished like everybody else, and so on and so forth. Oh, the more I think about it, the more I'm very angry at this world, at the system of this world, at the Maya, at the Satan, at the devil. I hate it all.
Yes, Master. Yes.
I feel so sorry for these humans and animals. We are victims. I really could die many times if I can rescue the whole world.
Oh, Master.
I don't mind to do anything. It's just that not always so simple. Because the people are already trapped so deeply in here. Sometimes I have very strong conviction. Sometimes I feel very frustrated.
Yes, Master.
Maybe I just go home. But okay, and home I can always go. Here people need. So I try hard to still hang on.
Thank you, Master.
Master.
Even rescue one more person is still better than nothing. That means one soul never suffer again.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you.
But this is quite hard. It's quite hard. You can see how many masters came and went already.
Yes.
Yeah. And the world is still like that. Due to their merits and holiness, that the world became better. But doesn't mean completely free.
Yes.
Any more questions?
No more questions, Master. Thank you so much.
Okay, it's time maybe to meditate.
Yes, Master.
Have another good day. Of course, you're working hard, but at least you're carefree, no?
Yes, Master.
All right, then it's good like that.
Yes.
I thank you and pray God bless you. This poor world. Thank you.
Thank you, Master.
Thank you, Master.
All right, God bless you, and I talk to you maybe another time.
Yes, Master.
Thank you very much. Thank you.